Hey guys, this is Rob from Asus, and today I want to show you the Asus K53E. And what's unique about this notebook is this is the Intel 2nd generation CPU, the Core i3, but we're selling this for under $600. So let's see what's in the box. So pulling it apart here, on top we have this case with got our AC adapter, power cord, and battery. And it's a 6-cell battery. I'm just going to hold on to that actually because I'm going to want that in just a moment. But here's the exciting part. This is the newly redesigned 15-inch K-series. And you can see it comes quite securely packed. It's not going to move around. And here it is. So I'm just going to flip this upside down and stick the battery in. And like I said, this does come with the 2nd gen Intel Core CPU. It's the Core i3 2310M, and that's good for around 2.1 gigahertz. It's also got 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM and a 500 gigabyte hard drive. Now, if we want to look at inputs on this, on the left hand side we've got an AC in, Ethernet port, VGA out, HDMI out, and a USB 2.0 port. Flipping around to the right hand side, there's a Kensington lock, it's a DVD writer, 2 more USB 2.0 ports, a microphone, and headphone jack. We've also got a 5-in-1 card reader. Now, specs aside, what I find most exciting about this notebook is the chassis. And as you can see, it's a much nicer scratch resistant finish on this. This is actually about 5.7 or so pounds and just under 1.5 inches thick. So it's not the tiniest notebook, but it's also going to fit pretty easily into your backpack or into your hand if you want to carry it around. But even better than the outside redesign is the inside. So let's have a quick zoom in. The inside of the new K-series is finished in this really nice brushed aluminum. On this one it's actually got this brown color, but the K-series does come in quite a few additional colors, blue, red, quite a few others as well, and the aluminum finish on the inside is going to match the outside casing. You've also got the standard chiclet keyboard, which you find on every Asus notebook now, and on this 15.6-inch model you've also got a number pad. Now, what I find really cool about this notebook that may not seem that interesting at first glance, but really helps over the long run, is that you've got this ice-cool palm rest. So this is not going to heat up over long use, and it's really going to keep you comfortable when using the notebook for a long time. So there you have it. This is the new Asus K53E. But if I left it there, you'd totally think this is a pretty cool mainstream, 15.6-inch notebook, really good price, solid performance. But I want to show you one more really cool thing in this notebook that is the biggest selling feature for me and kind of makes me want to trade in my N series for a K series. So I've turned it on and I'm going to show you what the battery life reading is showing on this notebook. The Asus K53E has something called Power for Gear Intelligent Battery Management. And what that means is this notebook gets really good battery life. So let's see what the estimate is right now. Right now we're in Power for Gear Entertainment mode, so we've got a higher screen brightness and we're looking at over 6 hours of battery life remaining. Now, if I were to set this to Power for Gear battery saving mode, we'd be looking at over 9 hours of battery life on this notebook. So I know what you're asking, just how accurate is that battery life estimate? Well, I tried to find out. So yesterday, I set up a time-lapse video with this notebook in battery saving mode, and I wanted to see how long it would last and actually record the notebook. And I checked back around 12:30 in the morning and it was still going. It had been going for about 8 hours. So today I'm going to try this a little bit differently. I'm going to set it up playing a video, and this should hopefully kill battery life a little bit faster so I can actually get to sleep at a decent time. So let's try it out.